Hi, welcome to the Dolphin Nautilus Plus video. This is a very informative video, so you may want to rewind or fast forward from time to time. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube station. Thank you. Hi, this is Carl, the Learning Guy. And what do we have here? We have the Dolphin Nautilus Plus. And why do I like this unit or pool vacuum so much as compared to many others? Because it actually does its job. It actually vacuums the micro particles or dirt, unlike other vacuums. See, most other vacuums, they take in the dirt and it goes right out and it doesn't do anything. This does a thorough job by far and is worth every cent. This is my unit. I used to rent some of them. I actually like this so much, I bought it. Okay, so what do we get? We get the Dolphin Nautilus Plus and we get the power supply. But I would also recommend, it's called the Ultra Fine Cleaner Cartridge panels. I would recommend these because these will get all the dirt that most people get, dirt and sand that most people get in their pools that other robotic items will not clean. I highly recommend these. You're probably going to need these if you clean the pool a lot every 3 to 4 months. And they come in a pack of 4. I would highly recommend those. So if you want another accessory, I would highly recommend the Dolphin Plus Caddy, because look how everything is nicely put together. I mean, you have the 50-foot cord, you have the Dolphin Nautilus Plus, if I wheel it around like this, put it like that, you got a nice power supply right here. Everything fits together as opposed to taking the Dolphin unit and taking the cord and taking the power unit. You might trip, you might fall, you might drop something. This thing is all together. Again, this is the Nautilus Caddy. Here's the Dolphin unit, and I'm going to follow it. I'm going to follow it all the way over to the Nautilus Dolphin power unit. Now I want to power it, because if I powered it before, that would have been dangerous. You don't want to do that. So I'm going to lift it up. I'm going to put the power in like that. Okay, so that's plugged in. Then I'm going to hold this and I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to lift this up. We're going to put this in the water. But before I put it in the water, I'm going to want some slack. So let's get some slack over here. Let's pull some slack. There we go. We're going to put it right in the water like this. See? Hi, this is Carl, the Learning Guy. Talking means nothing, showing is everything. So what I wanted to do is show you how well this Dolphin Plus cleans an actual pool, meaning my pool. So this thing is amazing. What it will do, it will eat up all the leaves and it will eat up all the fine dirt particles. And it can go up, down, sideways. It doesn't matter with this unit. This unit is so thorough. This unit is so good. I actually wanted to show you this in action. This is a lengthy part of the video, so if you feel that it's too long, just skip through different parts of this video and to get a better grasp of what the Dolphin does. Okay, so what do I want to show you about this? Okay, the one thing I want to show you about the Dolphin Nautilus Plus is that it comes with 2 filter compartments. So if I grab each side like this and I pop it open, I grab each side like this and I pop it open, I'm going to reach down and there's a filter compartment right here. This is a filter compartment. And I'm going to show you these filter compartments. I'm going to take only one of them out. There's actually 2 of them here. All right, so there's 2 filter compartments. And let me show you. I'm going to put that to the side. This is what it looks like. So if I ever needed to put it back in, I could line it up. There's a square here. There's a rectangle there. Excuse me, rectangle, rectangle. I put it in, I slide it in. But I'm going to show you about the filter compartment. I'm going to move this to the side. And these filters, they have these knobs here. So if I unturn this knob and I unturn this knob, it opens to this compartment here. This holds all your leaves, all your dirt, and everything, etc., etc. The reason why I feel that this Dolphin Nautilus Plus is the best pool floor vacuum I've ever counted, because unlike most pool floor vacuums, this really sucks up the dirt and it contains the dirt. It sucks up the dirt in a specialized way and it contains the dirt. See, these filters have this mesh or whatever it is that holds all the dirt or microfibers or all the fine particles, unlike most others that don't. And it's well worth the money you're paying for this Dolphin Nautilus. So there's just only one thing though. If you're using this for extended use or heavy use, I do recommend replacing these every few months.
Hi, this is Carl again. In this part of the video, I'm showing you about the filters and the cartridges. So in the Dolphin Nautilus Plus, there's 2 sets of cartridges. There's one set for cleaning larger things like leaves, etc. And the other cartridge set is for cleaning things such as fine dirt particles. So I'm just going through this video and I'm showing you what the Nautilus Plus can pick up. In this part, obviously it picked up larger things. You see some leaves, you see some tree debris, etc., etc. And it really got a lot here. So that's one of the fine things about the Nautilus Plus, which you don't get through most robotic pool cleaners at all. The biggest thing though is it can really pick up dirt, and we'll show you an example of this, and we'll show you how easy it is to clean these cartridges. Thank you. Oh, as I mentioned before, please feel free to skip to any part of the video you want. I understand that your time is precious to you and you want to get to the specific points of the video. So again, this video is long, so please feel free to skip to the different parts of the video. I think you can maximize this video the best that way.
I don't want to put the cable on the Dolphin Caddy. So I take the white part, I put it here like this. And we just wind it up. Wind it up. You want to hold the top so it doesn't come off. So just wind it up like this. Take another level, wind it up like that. Take another level, wind it up. Take another level, wind it up. Take another level, wind it up. I'm getting there. Take another level, wind it up. Take another level, wind it up. Take another level. Finally wind it up like this. Okay? Now it's done. Okay. Now let's wheel it around. I'm going to show you another thing. This is what I like about it. See how easy this is? I can wheel it, run around, but let's go to the back. This is the back of the unit where I want to put the power supply. So I'm going to get the Dolphin power supply. Here's the back. You want to know what it looks like in the back. Looks like it comes with a 4-foot cable. So what I want to do is there's a couple creases here and here, here and here. So I'm in the sun right now. So a couple creases here and here. And I want to take those 2 creases out here. I want to line them up and secure them like that. Then I want to take this wire right here and I want to wrap it. And that's it, pretty much. Okay, so now I want to show you why I bought the Nautilus Plus by MAYTRONICS. It's very simple. All right, this would be a typical day of me trying to vacuum the pool if I didn't have the Nautilus Plus, okay? I would have to take this item right here. Take it to the end of the pole. I put it on like this, clamp down on it, and then I would have to find a pole next. So I would go over here and I would find this big pole and then I would take it and put it in the back. I know, it's already tedious. Still trying to put it in the back here. Here we go. So now it's clamped. So what I use this for is I use this pole to direct the vacuum when it's vacuuming up the pool floor. So then, but before I even do that, I have to take this rest of the pole. Look at how tangled it is. All this mess. I have to go underneath. And then I'd have to stick this right here in the suction hole where the pool pump, which is over there, it sucks all the water to the pool filter over there, but I'd have to connect this in a little hole here. And then I'd have to make sure all this hose here does not have any air in it. You know why? Because if there's air in this pool hose, the suction is not going to be good at all, but it probably won't even work at all. So that's what I have to deal with. So I have to put this hose, basically make sure there's no air. So I'd have to fill it up with water. That means trying to get this hole to the bottom of the pool so all the water could go in. I don't want to deal with that. That's time consuming, that's effort. I don't want to deal with it. MAYTRONICS Dolphin Plus, you just put it in the water and that's it. And it goes on. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube station. Thank you.